Advanced Orthomolecular Research AOR, T-100, 60 tablets. Product Overview Description. Thyroid Glandular and Nutrients Non-GMO Gluten-Free Advanced Dietary Supplement GMP Manufacturing Quality Assured Independent Testing. Discussion. T-100 is a glandular formulation for the support of a healthy thyroid. Suggested use. Take 1 tablet, 1 to 2 times per day with food, or as directed by a qualified healthcare practitioner. Other ingredients: microcrystalline cellulose, gum acacia, stearic acid, magnesium stearate, hypromellose, silicon dioxide, dicalcium phosphate, glycerin and croscarmellose sodium. AOR guarantees that all ingredients have been declared on the label. Free of bovine spongiform encephalopathy, BSE, mad cow disease. Made without wheat, gluten, corn, nuts, sesame seeds, sulfites, mustard, soy, dairy, eggs, fish, shellfish, or any ingredients of porcine origin. Warnings. Do not use if you are pregnant or lactating. Consult your physician before use if you have medical condition, or if you're taking any medication. Keep out of reach of children. Caution: may cause gastrointestinal disturbances such as epigastric burning sensation and nausea. Consult a healthcare practitioner prior to use if you are following a low-protein diet. Discontinue use if rash develops. Do not use if safety seal is broken. Store tightly sealed in a cool, dry place. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.